Nick, what happens when you accelerate?
It's very slippery.
Do you want to see a skid?
No, we do not. Thank you.
Breaking news, we are heading up to the snow and it is currently snowing. He's very excited.
Should be good.
Fresh snow! It's snowing! What an experience! Woo, we're so excited! Feeling the vibes today. Question mark though, is fresh powder really good for snowboarders or skiers? Because this group here says that it's worse for the skiers, but I'm loving it as a snowboarder. I feel like it's really icy. Maybe it's a skill issue. I think it's fall season.
And then see through the trees through here, there's like little runs through the trees.
Okay,
yeah,
let's do it. Nick's just picked out a dodgy pathway that's going to take us down through a tree trail. Probably not fit for snowboarders, but let's find out.
Oh, you can shoot out to the left if you want. Just get in the groove and like a bobsled, just follow it, you know. Alright, ready? I don't know if I can.
You got this! What's the app called?
Slopes.
What does it do?
So I can compete against my friends and be a top speed runner.
Always a competition with you.
100%, 10%.
And me. Just taking a bit of a break at the bottom of Ruined Castle. Nick has just ordered 3 drinks. Drink 1. Drink 2.
Mulled wine and
Drink
a beer.
3.
There you go. Round 1.
Can I grab your pole? No, I can't grab it with this.